a drive to succeed, with a hunger for innovation and a commitment to science and society. This is Alliance Formulations, established in 2004. A leading manufacturer of hygiene and sanitation products, our development centers are located in tandem with production and packaging facilities that offer seamless transition from pre-start formulation to commercial scale-up.
So what sets Alliance Formulation apart is the quality of our products and services and the ability of our employees to go far and beyond to help our customers and provide them with the best solutions. Therefore, our clients are comprising of global leaders and a lot of MNCs.
We employ modern technology and equipment that supports a full range of development and innovation to enhance the overall health and well-being of the public. Our multifaceted infrastructure includes dedicated product lines with a capacity of 40 kiloliters per day, fully equipped lab and testing facility for analytical testing including microbiological analysis, world-class technology including induction sealing machines, strapping machines and specialized pharma software.
We have different clients. One is that where we are manufacturing P2P, like for multinational companies like ITC, Shulk, Dr. Schumacher, Mankind. And second type of customers are those for which we are manufacturing as a co-branding arrangement. And third type of customers are those like pharma units, food industries, food processing houses, and of course agriculture.
Our state-of-the-art infrastructure empowers us to manufacture a range of world-renowned sterility products. A well-rounded policy enables us to thoroughly understand the need of our clients, to develop the finest solutions at our advanced R&D facility.
जो भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनका एक प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस शेड्यूल होता है, चाहे वो प्रोडक्शन के हों चाहे वो लैब के हों, और उनकी प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस कंटिन्यूसली होती रहती है और उनका एक कैलिब्रेशन शेड्यूल भी होता है जिसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको हम कैलिब्रेट करते रहते हैं ताकि उनकी प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग का हमें पता चलता रहे.
Hand hygiene solutions with innovative formulations, food and water disinfection products with technology transfer from Switzerland, surface and air disinfectants which are US EPA and CDSCO approved formulations.
So Alliance Formulation has always been a fundamentally strong company, strong infrastructure and system with a very professional team. Our own brand Algard has already been very popular in the B2B segment, whereas our brand SafePro, which is a B2C brand, will also get a good push with the digital marketing that we are trying to pursue now.
An organization is as resilient as its people, and at Alliance, we believe that our employees form the basis of our continued success and growth.
Glad that most of the 35 women we have in this factory, most of them have already spent more than 10 years with us.
Our manufacturing units comply with all CGMP requirements and are certified for ISO 13485, ISO 9001 and by the WHO. We also provide an array of services like contract manufacturing, technology transfer, research and development, packaging and more to our valued clients all across the world.
हमने बहुत सारी मशीनें इंपोर्ट करी हैं, जिसमें से मैं एक मशीन के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा जो हमने ताइवान से इंपोर्ट करी है, जिसकी स्पीड 160 बोतल पर मिनट है, जो हमें बहुत एफिशिएंटली हेल्प करती है टारगेट्स अचीव करने के लिए.
We are solely determined to shaping the future towards excellence by meeting global standards, building long-term relationships and providing the highest quality services.